the discovery defied explanation. A researcher studying chimpanzees in the savannas of the Republic of Guinea was baffled by a strangely scarred tree she had found. Laura Kehoe, a PhD student at Humboldt University in Berlin, wondered whether it was the work of the chimps. So she set up a remote camera and it showed that chimpanzees were indeed behind it. A group had approached the tree and behaved in a highly unusual way. Some of them threw stones at the tree for no apparent reason, which explained the scars. Others gathered stones and laid them at the foot of the tree, creating a rough cairn. This was no idle play. The chimps were fully committed to their stone throwing and cairn building, and yet on the face of it, their behavior appeared to serve no purpose whatsoever. Perhaps the chimps were using the tree to communicate long distance with each other, throwing the rocks to make a drumming sound that could be heard far away. But why then did a juvenile chimp silently place stones inside the tree? And what use would a cairn be for long-distance communication? Though she hardly dared think it, one suggestion kept rearing itself in Laura Kehoe's mind. Perhaps this was a display of reverence, a form of ritual. And if so, did it mean that, incredible as it may sound, chimpanzees have something that we might call religion? You have to be careful with such suggestions if you are a scientist. Academics have a professional dread of foisting human ideas on non-humans, and the notion of religious animals is about as far-fetched to many scientists as it can get, yet Kehoe stuck to her guns. Maybe we found the first evidence of chimpanzees creating a kind of shrine that could indicate sacred trees, she said. And if you think about it, the fact that chimps are animals is no reason to rule out the possibility that the tree has some kind of special meaning for them. We humans share more than 98% of our genetic material with chimpanzees. The many things we have in common include smartness, communication skills, tool use, a strong social sense and marked problem-solving abilities.